Hi. Hey, so here's what we're going to do. I had this idea about being able to bake muffins or a cake outside at camp and a backpack trip. So I think I'm going to make a backpack oven. So what I've done is taken a mess kit and I've modified it a little bit. You see I got my little pans in there. But the idea is to take it off, and we need to raise the inner pan off to get a cavity around it so the heat will transfer around it, and the backpack stove will not burn the bottom of this pan. So I took some wire, laid it in the bottom, wrapped it around. This will go on top. I'll close the lid, and that creates my oven. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot now and give it a bake. All right. So I've made my triple berry muffin mix. Just add water. Mix 6 muffins if they're regular size. But it was just half a cup of water. Mixed it right in the bag. No utensils required, and there they are, ready to go on the stove. Okay, so the stove is lit. My oven is made. I'm going to go ahead and place my muffins in my oven. Then I put a cover on here to add extra heat to it. I have it on pretty low, so that's going to keep more of the heat in. And then I'll add I'll add a stick to that. So I think I'm doing pretty good here. So let's wait 16 to 20 minutes and see how they come out. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. We're going to give it a shot because I really don't know how long it takes to do dinner. It said 16 to 21. So we're going to look at it and just see where they stand at 15 minutes. Yeah, that's hot. Get this lid off. I had a problem before with it. There we go. Well, they're getting there. That was at 15 minutes. And I'm done. 15 minutes and done. Let's let them cool and we'll give them a shot. There's the muffins. Not sure what to do about this, but you can see on the bottom, got a little burned. But on the inside, they're nice and flaky. They're nice. The only thing is just got a little bit on the bottom. They got a little burnt. So we're going to try to experiment some more, maybe lower the heat and see how that goes. Anyway, all in all, tastes pretty good. You going to take a taste? I'll go with my coffee. Let's see how I'm going to do a cake next. There you go. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. I'm just going to give it a quick check. So go over here. We'll take a look. We'll see how we're doing because this is a full-blown cake, not a muffin. So let's take a look, see what we got here. Nope, still a little moist in the middle. I can see that. But the edges are done, but we got a lot of it going in the middle. So we'll go ahead and clean that. We'll put the lid back on. Woo! It's hot. Wow! Yeah, wow! Put the lid back on and we'll put it back in there for a few minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Take the lid off. It's really hot. It's hard to do with just one hand. So there we go. Oh, that looks pretty good. Pretty tasty. Let's go ahead and stick our poker in there and see if the middle's done yet. It's all done. So actually this took us probably around 21 minutes because I did do it for 17, or I did it for 15 first and then added another 7. So this looks pretty good. So we'll take it out of the pan later and we'll eat it.